Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is about shisha. So for people who know about me, I used to do shisha back when I was just a teenage. After that, I used to do it with my husband in Dubai. After marriage, I had stopped shisha because I had promised my mother-in-law that I will not smoke shisha until till I ever remember. I had never smoked shisha till I was in good terms with my mother-in-law. So let me tell you this. So people who follow me on Google Maps and all, they know that I keep posting wherever I go, whatever I do, because for me, I'm an open book. I don't hide, I don't feel anything to be hidden because that's not what I am. Whatever I do, I know I'm doing it right, so I don't need to hide it with anyone. So I'll share a picture with this. Of course, I'll blur the face of that person. I used to smoke shisha in Dubai with my partner, and now I was stressed and all. As you all know, I was admitted. So I, thought of just going back through some memories. So something got in my mind that whoever told me about this, I'm not going to take their name, that my ex-husband is going to prove that I am a very dirty, filthy woman. Just because I speak to boys, just because I do shisha. So let me make this clear. You are the one who never stopped me from this. If you would have definitely, if I can keep your mother's promise, I would have definitely kept your promise. And right now also, I go out with my family and my best girlfriend for shisha. So I think so there should be no problem. In fact, there should be no problem even if I go out with any of the boys also, because I know what I'm doing. Who are you to judge me behind my life? Leave me alone, right? And about the allegations that you're saying I've put on you, that you have never disrespected my religion, don't get into hurry. Don't get into hurry. I wouldn't have posted if this was a lie, and I will definitely put these proofs to the High Court. Leave the police station, leave everything. I'm going to put it to the High Court in your own audio. I changed my phone recently, so many of the audios I don't have, but somehow I am blessed with good people in my life, that they are, good in removing backups. So I have got few in which you have clearly stated about my prophet, about he having sex with 4 years old child and all. Don't you dare change words. And if you seriously had problems with me from 2019, why was M born then? Were you playing some filthy games? And someone has recently told me with evidence that you have started following another religion. I am very happy, but don't do injustice to that religion, and please don't trap anyone else. Stop this. Come on, stop this. Honestly speaking, your divorce is still pending because the third notice is still not accepted by me, and it will not be accepted until and unless you do justice to the kids, because you cannot run away like that without, just playing pranks, enjoying life, finishing someone's money, um, making everyone in trauma and running like this. No, I will not give you any chances like this. I was good enough to let you go easily without anything back in 2023 because I was done. I was so frustrated. But right now I got my thank you so much for being far from me and getting me into my senses, that I understood that people like you should not be left alone like this. They should get the punishment for what they have done. And this exact fight is for the kids. If I start digging your past, you know where I'll take it to. So as we started the relation, we promised we not get into each other's past and problems. I kept my promise. So I expect you to at least live in present, do good to the kids, Just don't run. If I'm a filthy woman, let me be a filthy woman. If I'm a bad woman, let me be. You prove with any men saying that I was with that person, prove it. I will say sorry in front of my whole audience, but don't play games. I can keep running here and there and providing everyone evidence, but I am right now quiet. I'm waiting for the right time. Later, you should not regret that this girl did not give me time. I've given you time. I've seen all the things, what you have done, what you have not done, and you should be scared. You really should be scared of what you have done. Do whatever you want. These are the few things I wanted to add. I had thought I'll get back to work and stop vlogging because I really don't have that much time. But right now, that's God's blessing that I'm free. For people, those who know me, they know me that I am not a religious person. I respect everyone's religion. I have a live audience that is live proof against people who will give an explanation what my partner had stated about religions, the way he had insulted his own ex-religion. I have everything. So don't get away with this, please. I request you to stop troubling me. You have troubled me, you are troubling me, and I don't know what's your problem. Just get away, right? You're living your life, I'm living my life, I'm enjoying my life. Don't think that I'm depressed or something because of you. I am depressed for the fact that you have cheated, you have broke my trust. But the reality is I am living my life. I'm going work, I'm enjoying, I'm going around with my friends, all girlfriends and old friends, old buddies, because now I learned, the more I was far, the more you used to judge. Any which ways you judge, right? Me doing good, me doing bad, you'll always judge. So it's done. There's a full stop right now, that I've learned my lesson, that I will not do things what you liked, because that will only keep me in a loop where you will always judge me, where you're done with everything. That's from my side, and